Hi everyone. So a few people asked if I could do an update about the Annie's Knit Afghan of the Month Club. So here I am showing how everything is going so far. So if you remember, the first box that you get with your yarn and your first set of patterns comes with a stitch guide, and it came with the tool to do cables and a little needle and some stitch markers. So I've just been storing all the pattern instructions that I've received and finished in with this, just to keep everything together. So when you get all of your next shipments for blocks, you still get 3 blocks every month and 2 skeins of yarn. So I still have quite a few I still need to finish, but I'm trying the best that I can. I've actually finished quite a bit of them. I have them in a box here because I've been taking them to my daughter's soccer lessons, and I've been using the needle that they provided and weaving in all the ends of my blocks. So I have a lot of them finished. I'll show a few because some of them are really beautiful. Some of them I had a little bit of trouble with the pattern. Most of them are really easy, but some of them are really beautiful. So I like a lot of them. Most of them are pretty easy to do. Some are a lot harder than others, but as you can see, I've finished quite a few. So yeah, it's definitely doable. I just get really busy. I mean, we all do, right? So yeah, it's been a lot of fun. This was one of my favorites, and I'll show you because this one was really hard. I don't even think it turned out like it's supposed to. This one was really fun too. I loved the diamond pattern it put in. But yeah, you'll learn a ton of different patterns, and I really thought it was a lot of fun. So this one is one of my favorites because it lays really nice and flat. I just love this one. So I think I'm going to use some of the yarn that I have and do this block enough to make an Afghan with just that, and maybe do like a zigzag pattern or something. So I have just a few that I need to work on, weave in the ends, and then I have a few more blocks to still do, but I'm really nearing the end. I've actually received the last shipment, which is this blocking board here, and then they sent pins and finishing instructions. So they sent you everything you need to finish it up, and it says inside of the finishing instructions, let me see if I have scissors right here, but it says that you use this board to block out your blocks, and I'm gonna start actually doing that now because it's gonna take a while with just using this board here, because you'll only be able to do one at a time, right? So I'm gonna start, because while I'm still finishing up the other blocks that I haven't completed yet, I'll be working on this step at the same time. So I'm a horrible knitter in the sense that I've made a lot of scarves and hats, and I've never once blocked anything, even if it called to. But this one, I feel like it's gonna be necessary because the some of these are so many different sizes without, you know, pulling it and blocking it. So I'm not going to be able to finish it without doing this step. So basically what it says is to, you know, stick your pins in here, get it to size, and then you mist it to get it damp, and then you don't pull out the pins until it dries. So I think it's fairly easy. Like I said, I just think that I think that it's just going to take some time with letting it dry. So I'm going to start doing it now just so that I have everything ready. I'll give another update when I start piecing all this together. Maybe what I'll do is take a video showing my rows together and then edit it and add in when I, do all the steps to get everything together. But I've had a lot of fun with this. I didn't keep up as much as I had set my goals to. I wanted to be finished with all 3 blocks in a month and then finish the next 3. And I did pretty well for a while, but I did fall behind when different things came up, and with some blocks being harder than others, I would kind of, wait to get back to it. This was another one of my favorites. It's like a basket weave look. I got sidetracked because I saw it peeking out and I was like, that was another one of my favorite. It's the same color of this one, so I wonder if that was just a really good shipment there. But yeah, so I think it's a lot of fun. I highly recommend it if you like to knit and maybe can't find patterns you like to do, or don't have a steady series of projects and would like something just sent to you. I would really recommend it. I've had a lot of fun. The star one was fun too. Like I said, there was a few patterns that I thought were harder, a lot harder than others, but they're all doable, and you have some videos you can go look at that they provide as well. So I hope this helped, and it was a good update to let you know kind of how everything was going. If you want to see the finished product, hopefully I can catch up and get that done soon. So if you'd like to see that, be sure you're subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. It really helps my channel. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.